Hey fam, what's it up? What's it up? What? I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Um, First off, I want to say, I guess, thank you to whoever called the cops. They just come to my door, ask me if I'm okay. I'm fine. You don't have to call the cops. I can get out of this situation on my own. Thank you. I know you have my heart, best interest, my health, and I know I don't need to be in this situation, but right now I had no choice. I have nowhere else to go. I know, go to a shelter. Nobody wants to go to a shelter. And and yes, this is gonna be a mukbang. Me eating a weird grilled cheese sandwich. It's got pepper jack cheese on it. But I found y'all don't have to call the cops. I will eventually find my own way out of here. And um my friend Amy on the go, she asked me to shout her out again and to see if you all would follow her or keep following her. She's uploading a weight loss journey. She just started. She uploaded, I think yesterday, a Q&A. Excuse me, a Q&A, and today I think it was she uploaded a nail art tutorial, a 4th of July nail art tutorial. It was really pretty. I watched it. The the sweet ladies that won my giveaway received their headphones, and they messaged me, and they were after they got them, and they were like, "Love them." I was like, "That's great. I'm glad you love them." I should have got me some tea. Um, I do drink tea, but when we drink tea, we use Splenda in it. A pig. I want to see pig. Let me see if I can turn it around. I don't think I can. A pig. A pig. There's monkey. And Bella. Anyways, I hope I caught him. They want my sandwich. I know, I'm rude. I eat with my mouth full, but who the heck don't? Um, after I put out my 2 videos about my past relationships and then my weight video, I feel real different. Like like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders. And I don't know if that makes sense to anybody but me, but excuse me. If you have added me to Facebook, I have posted my wish list on there. It's on my wall. Some of y'all asked me for it. I think it's kind of creepy that in like the last 2 weeks, I've had 2 people. Sorry, it was a fly. My back door stays swinging open all day long. The flies come in and out. In like the last 2 weeks, I've had, since Michelle, the girl that did my hair, since she's in here, she told me, and another lady yesterday, I won't say her name, she knows who she is. She asked me not to say her name, that's why I won't say her name. I'll say her YouTube username, because she's thinking about doing her own videos, and I'm encouraging her to. Her YouTube username is Sometimers, and they both told me I have a spirit attached to me, but they both said it was 2 different spirits. Like, Michelle told me it was a man, and Miss Sometimers, she told me it was a female. I'm not saying they're both wrong or anything like that. I'm just saying it's a coincidence that I have a spirit attached to me. I mean, I think, I kind of feel like everybody does. Everybody has guardian angels and loved ones that, visit them and all that, but I kind of feel like I have other spirits that are connected to me. I don't know if this is sound like, I don't know, I probably sound like I'm completely lost my mind more than normal. How's y'all's weekend go? Mine went. Actually, my weekend went pretty good. I had the house pretty much to myself, except for these daggone dogs. If I didn't have these daggone dogs, I would have been better. Constantly barking. If you ask me what kind of dog to get, I would not recommend a small dog. Especially Chihuahuas, because that's what they do. I don't know, I think that's the breed, that's the kind of thing they do. Chihuahuas, that's what they do. They bark at every freaking thing. I'm fixing to get up. They bark at everything. Literally. Get tea. I'm thirsty. Bella, go lay down. Go back to my little cubby hole. Look, I got up and walked on my own. I didn't need help. Wow. I think I want a Dalmatian. If I could get any kind of dog, I want a Dalmatian. I need to take a puff of my inhaler. I'm bored. I have no earthly idea what to talk about. I wish I had some garlic powder. I would have put garlic powder. That's so good. Y'all should try it. Grilled cheese. If you like garlic bread, oh, I love garlic bread. And garlic's actually supposed to be good for you, like heart friendly. But I've done that before. I made a grilled cheese sandwich, and I put garlic powder on it. And we only buy pepper jack cheese. So yeah, it's so good. If you like spicy, well, if you like pepper jack cheese, try a grilled cheese pepper jack cheese sandwich. I don't know if maybe I just didn't say it. I don't know if I didn't say it, or I didn't say it loud enough, or what the case is. But in my weight video, I thought I said, I know I said that I have health issues, and that, that's part of the reason why I'm big. But I thought I did say, I have to re-watch the video, but I thought I did say that some of the reason, some of the reason that I am big is because I overeat. And I'll be the first one to admit it, okay? I don't need anybody's help to admit in anything. Was that good, Pet Pig? Was that good? I give her a bite of my sandwich. They freaking love cheese. I know it's not really good for them. We don't give it to them all the time. You want more, don't you, baby? I keep saying we have 4 chihuahuas because saying chihuahuas is easier than saying we got we got 3 chihuahuas and a chihuahua. I think she's Jack Russell mix. Piggies. I guess we can tell the story of how we how Pig got her name. I think I did. I might have. Or attempted to. I forgot. If I didn't, will y'all, somebody tell me in the comments below, please. I cut myself yesterday. Not on purpose. I had planned on filming myself making deviled eggs. And then my mom and stepdad come home. And they wouldn't leave the kitchen so I could film it. So I sat here and I'm right-handed. So I had the egg in my left hand and was cutting with my right hand. So I don't know how the heck I got this tiny little cut. You can't even see it. You can't even see it. Yeah, there you can. On my finger. Like what? I don't even know. I wish Sassy Tutu would come in here so y'all can see her. She's our 3-pound chihuahua. Our teacup. I love these dogs most of the time when they're not barking. But I don't like when they sit and watch me eat. Yeah, I know. They want some too. Well, okay, y'all. Sippy, sippy, sippy. What? I'm not a 3-year-old. I'm so full now. I got it full, baby. If you don't know, that means I was just overate. Excuse me. I'm gonna get off here because I don't know what else to talk about. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments, please. Oh, somebody asked me what my favorite movies or TV shows are. Favorite TV shows. I'll go ahead and answer now. I like The Nanny. Jerry Springer. Little House on the Prairie. Touched by an Angel. Gilligan's Island. Home Improvement. Yes, I know these are all old shows because we don't have cable or satellite. We have excuse me, an antenna. Excuse me, and it. What I got there? I got. I'm never gonna do it again. I got the hiccups. We got an antenna and it connects to the TVs, and we got a few local channels like not A&E, Fox News and things like that. And me TV is what I'm trying to say. We got the Laugh channel. Anyways, we just got, channels like that. But if we had satellite, I'd really be watching the cooking channel. Ugh. I don't know what it is about cooking channel. I know I'm not. You're gonna be like, "Cause you're fat, you like food, you're a foodie." Yeah, there's probably some of it, but I also like learning. You can learn a culture some like through the type of food, through food, you know. And I'm not just meaning snacks. I mean food, like pasta, something like that. Italian food. And then they have this one lady on the cooking channel. She is Italian, I think. Yeah, Italian. And she will speak in Italian and, like, I guess you can say translate what the item is in English. I think it's kind of cool. I especially like watching it around the holidays. Holidays. I know English. Holidays. Because I learn, recipes and everything. I also like watching the Disney Channel. I just watched, I think it was February. Yes, February. They had, they had, this new I think it was Zombieland. That was the last movie I watched of Disney. Um, okay, y'all, I'm gonna get off here. If y'all have any more questions, please leave it in the comments section or message me and I'll answer it. Add me on everything or follow me on everything. Hush. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. I'm being weird. Before you go, please subscribe to Amy on the go. Tell her Tammy sent. Tell her I sent you. Something like that. What? I don't even know. See? The dog and the cat just killed 2 females. That was cute. It was like a Romeo and Juliet kind of thing. Or a Lady in Tramp kind of thing. I don't know. Anyways, before you go, give me a kiss. Bye, y'all. Love you.